Hello everyone, this is JTech. Now, today I will show you how you can create an authentication system by using Firestore database. Okay, so for that I have previously created a layout where there have a image view, then there is a text view, then there is a button which is send code, then there has one more text view, that is when you will press over the send code button, then there will open one more text view where you will enter your verification code. Then there is one more button which is verification code. Now when you will press over the verification code button, then there it will open or it will send you a message that your verification is successful or something else. Now let's get started. We will start our code. So phone login activity, extend app compat activity, you will create an activity. Now so we need to take edit text button. Okay, so private edit text edit text enter phone number. Okay, then we need a button, private button send code. Okay, now we will set the edit text and button. Enter phone number, sign, find, view by id, r.id. We have set it. We have set a id. Where is our id? Okay, this is our id. Edit text phone number. Okay, now we will simply paste this here. Fine. Then send code, same r.id dot what is the id for button? This is the id for send code button. Now we will simply paste this. Okay, so now we need Firestore instance, private Firestore db. What is db? Database. Okay, now we need to initialize db. So db is equals to Firestore dot get instance. Okay, we initialized database. Now Now what is our next task? So we have initialized database. Then when we press over the button enter code, then it will send me a code for our verification. So we need to set on click listener. So when we enter the send code button, set on click listener, the expression set on click listener. Okay, when we will press over the button, then there will open a method. So send verification code, we can implement a method send verification code. Okay, now we need to implement the send verification code method. Private void send verification code. So how we will implement this method? So what will be the task of this method? Sorry, closed. So when you will enter your phone number and then press over the button send verification code, then it will send you a verification code. Okay, so we need to complete this task. So first of all, I will enter a phone number. Okay, so we need the phone number. String phone number is equals to edit enter phone number dot get text dot to string dot trim. Okay, we obviously know the task of trim. So now what we will check? So in Bangladesh the phone number basically be 5, 6 or 7 words. Okay, so we need to enter the phone number and we need to check the phone number is actually correct or wrong. So how can we check this? We can check that if the length of the phone number is 11 or there has 11 digits, then phone number is correct. Okay, not actually that the phone number is correct, but this is our basic process to check the phone number is correct or not. Okay, now we will check this. If phone number dot is empty or phone number dot length is not equals to 1, then what will happen? Then it will say enter a valid phone number. So enter phone number dot set error enter a invalid phone number. Then edit text phone number dot request focus. Request focus. Okay, then return. Now we need to generate the verification code. Okay, so we will take a member data member string a verification code. Okay, so what will be the verification code? Verification code equal here string dot hello of int math dot random. So we need to generate the random verification code. Oh, 1000. So it will generate verification code. Verification code randomly. So now we need to set a message that will send to your phone number. Okay, that will be something like that: enter your verification code, or your verification code is something. So that will be our message is equals to your verification code is plus verification code. Okay, this is our message. Okay, now we need a permission. Okay, we need a permission that our message our app has the permission or not for sending a message. Okay, so if context compat dot check self permission context